Today, we'll learn how to add this button to show and hide content on your website. It's just a two-step process. All you need to do is create these cards or blocks and then install this free plugin to add this button. It's super simple and takes 5 minutes to make. So, in the WordPress dashboard, look for HT Mega add-ons. We need this one, so let's install and activate it. In the left sidebar, hover over it, click on Settings and go to Elements. Here, we will check whether the toggle option is enabled, and as you can see, it's already done. Now let's create a page and use the toggle widget. I want to create a section that will have services offered in a gym, and for that, I'll make 3 cards. To add more information, we'll add the toggle widget so that when someone clicks on the Read More button, they can view the remaining content. But before that, whenever I'm doing some design work for clients, I make sure to install this free plugin Airlift because, okay, let me actually show you this. So that's my site speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps stuff fast. So you should definitely try this and I'll leave the link in the description below. So search for toggle, then drag and drop it like this. Now I'll add the text here. Then I'll go to style and change the text color to this and add this font style. Next we will style the button. So go back to the content and here I'll change the text. Then go to style and click on the button. Let's add a background color and change the text color to this. Now change the border type to solid. Let's give some width and change the border radius to somewhere around this. Okay, it's looking a bit weird, so let's give it some padding like this. I'll also style the text too. Next, let's add an icon beside the button text. So from here, go to the icon library, search for the icon you want. I like this one, so I'll choose this. Similarly, I'll add an icon for the opened button too. Okay, the card is almost done, but let's add some more detail. Select the inner container, go to style, and here I'll add a border to the card. Okay, our card is ready. Now let's duplicate this card 2 times and delete these extra containers. Awesome, we have our 3 cards and I'll quickly edit them and add the other 2 services as well. It's done. So let's update this page and preview the changes by clicking here. Okay, if I click on Read More button, I can see the rest of the content, and when I click on Read Less, it hides the content. Now let's see how to add the same toggle button for an image gallery. Alright, let's add the toggle widget below it. Here I'll remove this text and add images one by one. It's done. Next, I'll customize the button in the same way that we did in the previous section. Awesome, all the changes are now done, so let's update and preview the page. Okay, if I click the button, the remaining images appear like this. Looks fine, right? Comment below if you have any doubts and I'll help you out. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.